Good morning, guys. It's 5:02 in the morning, and normally this would be my victory hour, like I do every morning, based on Robin Sharma's 20-20-20 principle: 20 minutes of fitness, then 20 minutes of meditation or reflection, journaling, and then 20 minutes of learning the most important things which you want to learn. Today, I did it at 4 o'clock because I just came from LA yesterday. So I was really awake at 4 without any alarm clock. So I can do already now my most important work, which normally I do at 6 o'clock. Today I do it at 5. And my most important work this week is to work on my coaching products like I did already for the last week. And an important element is also to get the feedback from you guys, which you did very nicely and which I hope you will continue on for the next week. I want to still look into independence. Yesterday I told you about the starting points, getting free from your feelings, getting free from your thoughts. And then the next point is exactly what I'm doing this morning, is to be accountable to yourself, to do what you promise yourself to do, to be disciplined. For example, wake up every morning at 5 o'clock is one of the most important elements, I think, to be free, because it is not easy. And to do it consistently, you need a very important muscle, You need this muscle in your mind that is so strong that it tells your body what to do. So if I wake up in the morning, if the alarm clock rings at 4:45 and I wake up and I'm totally tired, then my mind is so strong that I tell my body, okay, wake up now, do it, just do it. You have no chance, do it. And even if the body doesn't like to, he goes. It's like the same with an ice cold shower in the winter. When you are just so strong in your mind to tell your body what to do. And to build this up, I think two things are important. First of all, you have to have an insight from your emotions into this. You can't just tell you this from your mind, okay, from now on I'm going to do this. If you're not connected to a higher emotion, if it's not connected to a higher emotion, if you don't like to do it in a way, then it's going to be really difficult to do it. So you need an insight from your heart that the heart wants to do this. And the second thing is to build up this muscle inside you. And I think there are very good methods how to teach both of this, so everybody can gain this high discipline. And why is it so important? Because it makes you free. If you know that you can trust yourself to do what you tell yourself to do, you can reach everything in the world, what you want, like freedom. Is that interesting to you? Please tell me. If you would like to learn something like this, if you would spend your time and your money to gain these insights, just send me DMs, write in the comments. Thanks a lot for this, and I see you soon.